What's up, my good people? How is everyone doing? I trust you're doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, Miss Kenji Kenya, and today I'm coming live to you from Nairobi, Kenya. Guys, I'm so excited because today I'm going to be taking you through one of the amazing apartments here in Nairobi, and it's in Syokimau. It's actually in a very prime location.
When it comes to location, convenience is key. This apartment is just 500 meters from Mombasa Road, 3 minutes to SGR station, and only 5 minutes from JKIA, making travel and accessibility effortlessly. And also we have a lot of malls around here. We have Gateway Mall, we have Naivas, we have a lot of shopping centers around here.
And yes, when you're investing, make sure you look onto those things, okay? So yeah, so right now we are about to dive into one bedroom. We are going to be starting with one bedroom tour, and right here is actually, I'm not inside the house, guys. I'm actually on the this is supposed to be where the lift will
be. As soon as you step out of the high-speed lift, you are welcomed by this well-lit and beautifully designed corridor. The finishes here are top-notch with smooth walls, elegant lightings, and a clean modern aesthetics that gives off a luxurious feel. The corridor is not just functional, it's stylish, with carefully selected decor elements that add a touch of class.
Let's go straight to one bedroom house.
Right next to the door, we have this beautiful piece of art, and it looks nice.
The doors looks like this. Very, very quality doors. Like this one, you can never get it anywhere. So this is the one bedroom apartment that we want to show you, to showcase. And yeah, come along. Welcome you. Welcome to one bedroom house.
As you step in, you are welcomed by a spacious open concept living area designed to give you a modern and airy feel.
So this is a furnished apartment.
About 58.05 square meters of interior space. This unit goes for only 6 million Kenyan shillings. That is approximately 46,332 US dollars.
This is where you can just put your clothes, like when you're coming from work, you can just hang your coat right here, or anything if it's your bag and all that. And from the door, we have this.
Right from the door, you will immediately notice a cozy dining area perfectly set up for two. The table, thoughtfully designed and accented with beautiful decor on top, creates an inviting space to enjoy intimate meals or a quick coffee break. This apartment boasts a sleek and stylish living space, perfect for relaxing and entertaining guests. The open layout seamlessly connects to the state-of-the-art kitchen equipped with the latest appliances. From meal prepping to hosting, this kitchen is designed to make life easy and enjoyable.
Look around the cabinetry. The cabinetry are the modern ones, guys, and it comes with a 2-burner cooker, and we have a lot of storage spaces around here. So guys, I'm telling you, like, everything here looks perfect. I don't know even where to open from, because as you can see, you cannot even see the handle. It's very perfect, well done.
The Sleek modern cabinetry adds a touch of elegance, offering ample storage while maintaining a clean and stylish look.
All these are storage spaces, and guys, look at the top. We have the lighting fixtures just reflecting the kitchen, the drawers and all that.
Right above the kitchen, we have these stunning overhead lights that not only brighten up the space, but also create a beautiful reflection on the countertop. Right over here, we have this double sink.
We have this space where you can just fit in your fridge. Yeah, so it is spacious enough for this fridge. It's big enough. So this is the kitchen area, guys. Alright, so from there we're gonna be heading now to the living room area. Let me show you around. Oh guys, I forgot, when you just come here you find this piece of wow, it's very nice, it's like a console table or a drawer with all these decor and diffuser, anything that you want to put. Like this piece over here is very perfect, and we have put all this here, so it's a storage, so you can choose to put anything inside here. And now from there we take you to the living room area. So we have these amazing seats right here on the living room area, and they are very much comfortable.
As we move into the living room, you can immediately feel how cozy and inviting this space is. The beautifully placed couch provides the perfect spot to relax after a long day. Whether you are reading a book or just entertaining your guests, it's simply unwinding.
Yeah, very comfortable. Like you can just sit here and watch your TV right there.
The choice of furniture here complements the modern aesthetics of the apartment with a soft texture and neutral tones that creates a warm and stylish ambience.
The lighting over here is very beautiful. One thing I love about it, guys, this house, it comes with very beautiful light fixtures. Just look around. We have this beautiful chandelier. It's very perfect, and of course in the kitchen area we have this one. Beautiful, very elegant and exquisite.
Ahead we have this huge sliding door that leads us to the balcony, and it pours in a lot of natural lights.
We have the balcony just right from the living room area. We have these sliding doors. So this is the sliding door that we access to the balcony. So we slide it on the balcony, and of course the curtain very quality and with good fabric. So this house is very perfect, very exquisite, elegant and very beautiful. So come to the balcony. As I've told you, my beautiful people, this beautiful apartment is still under construction. So as you can see the area, this part here is gonna be full of beautiful gardening. It's gonna be a lot of this area is gonna be maintained, and we're gonna have the grass here where people will be chilling. So from your balcony you're gonna be having this beautiful view, and of course we have a very beautiful view of National Park. Did you know that we have the park right there? Like in the mornings, you can just see beautiful animals that is feeding over there. So this is the perfect place for anyone that is looking for a home. So you can decide to put something like this on your balcony. Yeah, so, and you're gonna be chilling right here. All right, my beautiful people, let's head now to the bedroom side. So from this point, we access the bedroom. Now, look at the doors, guys. The doors are really perfect, very amazing ones with modern. Look at this. It's very, very modern, very beautiful. So come in. So when you lock it, this is how it looks. Look at it. It's very, very modern, and it's hidden, but the way it looks, you can't even tell. Like, it's very quality. So guys, from there we have this closet, and as you can see, it's a modern closet. It's a good one, and we have a lot of storage spaces. It has enough storage spaces, and yeah, you can choose to put your clothes and everything. And this is where you can decide to put your bed. So ours, this is how it looks. So it's perfect. And of course, on the walls we have these beautiful so it's a what, this is yeah, we have this beautiful wallpaper, of course, and actually it's matching our bed sheets, kind of greenish as you can see, and grayish. So there's a way it marries, and also the beddings here, they look so perfect. Right here we have this beautiful art of a mirror, and wow, like you can just be dressing right there and just looking at yourself. Yeah, this piece here complement this room, and it's really perfect. Right here we have these windows. It's a glass window, and also it's just from top to bottom. It's spacious, and of course this room comes with a perfect natural light. You don't need to put on the lights, because the natural lightings are so sufficient. So here we have this piece here, very beautiful one, and yeah, it's a side lamp. And of course, with your diffuser over there, it's very beautiful. Guys, what are you looking for? This is a one-bedroom house in Syokimau with a very beautiful view of National Park. And we have swimming pools.
Also, we have the conference room facing Nairobi National Park. Also, we have the modern office spaces in the 16th floor, because these apartments goes all the way to the 16th floor. There's also a fully equipped gym and a kids play area, and also we have the mini mart within the premises.
So the washroom, this is how the door looks. Yeah, this is how the door looks for the washroom. And here, this is where you're gonna be putting your towels. Oh my goodness, look around. Guys, do you see this? It's a very unique marble sink. It's a marble sink which has the top and the bottom where you can just design it as your storage. And yeah, it's so elegant. Right here we have this washing machine. So that means your house will have this space that you can fit in your washing machine. And here we have now the toilets. So this is a modern one, guys, and it comes with this. All these are the storage. Where you can just put your things, your washroom items. Yeah. Oh, and of course this boiler, and yeah, that is how it looks right there. This is the shower side. Oh my goodness, look at the shower. It's very modern. When you're showering, a lot of water will be pouring in, and this is what you're gonna be like doing this. Okay, perfect. This is so unique, guys. I'm telling you, this is where you're gonna put your soap, and it's so like this is so thoughtful. It's like a puppy. Yeah, so this is where you're gonna be putting your soap. Yeah, so, and of course this is where you're gonna be putting your tissues. So yeah, this is how the one bedroom looks like. So it's very it comes with a very enough space. It's very spacious and very beautiful. Like, it looks perfect. Amazing, guys. So that is it with this one bedroom unit, and we have a lot of them. We have several units left. So if you are interested in one unit, you can consider checking us on the descriptions and take the contact down below. So for this one bedroom unit, it goes for 6 million Kenyan shillings only. 6 million Kenyan shillings only, and then people are really coming in to buy. So if you are interested in this, make sure you come and purchase it, guys, because it's really moving along.
This apartment has 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom. If you're looking for a home that combines modern design, convenience and breathtaking views of National Park, this 1 bedroom apartment in Syokimau is the perfect choice. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing property tours. Until next time, bye bye for now.